parang medyo bumaba yung tingin ko sa actors for a while. It's like, anybody can do that. Parang you pretend to be other people, you pretend to do these things. That's now that I'm doing it, di lahat kaya gawin to.
This is all she really knows, right? So pag pinapagalitan niya kami, parang teleserye.
Really?
So ano ba yun? Sabi ko, umabot na sa point na parang bababa siya ng hagdan. Hindi niyo alam! Ang hirap maging nanay!
Sabi ng friend ko, si Noor,
Yeah.
paka-OA mo. Sabi niya talaga. Parang paka-arte mo, Maris. Tama na yan. Hindi ka na si Irene Chu. As in, lagi namin yung pinag-aawayan. Parang, "Ay, sorry,
Tama
ano
na.
ba yung reaction? Ano, yung parang may mga reaction ka na, what? As in, yung mga natatalang.
Live at Basta Cafe, Kamuning Film Club presents an informal roundtable conversation among 3 filmmakers.
Pero dahil hindi bilog ang table namin, tawagin natin itong Kanto. At sa Kanto today ay award-winning young actors. Elijah Canlas, Kyla Estrada, and Maris Racal.
I guess maganda na lang start. Bakit niyo pa rin ginagawa to?
Pera.
Pera. No, it's really fair.
Joke lang.
That's fair.
At some point, like, it does pay well, no? From
Yeah.
time to time. Pero dati, I used to not be like, usually, nung gusto pa mag-direct talaga, and I really hated acting, parang medyo bumaba yung tingin ko sa actors for a while. It's like, anybody can do that. Parang you pretend to be other people, you pretend to do these things. That's now that I'm doing it full-time. Mayabang na ako yung parang di lahat kaya gawin to. Parang nagigets yung sinasabi ko na, hindi yun nagigets it. Joke. Because basically what I'm saying is, I think you need a certain level of exposure and experience with life
Yes.
to really gain a certain amount of truth
Yeah.
as an actor. Pero also, like with different mediums, film, theater, serye, may different levels of truth din. And I feel like I see that with both of you, with all your performances. So how do you commit to it? Like, paano nyo nalalaman kung saan nanggagaling yung truth na yun ng character? Kahit hindi yun na-experience, diba? Yung parang, is it really just empathy?
Yeah.
Is it really just imagination or immersion? Parang kung Sunshine, you immerse, diba? You research talaga. So parang ano yung pinaka nakakatulong sa inyo to gain that truth?
Well, for me, empathy is really the strongest tool. I feel like yun talaga yung when you put yourself in the position and you anchor yourself enough to the experiences of your character, eventually the emotion will flow naturally. I feel like also, like for example, if your character lost a loved one and you've never experienced losing a loved one in your
Yeah.
life, but you know what it's like to lose at something,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
So, and I feel like there are always ways that we can relate ourselves to experiences of other people that imposible ring hindi ka makakahanap ng common ground eh. Kasi I feel like as human beings, we all have experiences that we don't know we've probably shared. Or parang there are things that happen in your life na hindi mo alam na na-experience din ng ibang tao, or they've experienced the worst case scenario or they've experienced the best case scenario. Diba? So parang I feel like we have those commonalities na feeling ko nakakatulong when you're trying to be somebody else. And yeah, empathy, and that's why I feel like empathy is really the strongest. And I guess imagination plays a part as well. I mean, we were all kids once. We all know what it's like to play make-believe and do role-playing or pretend you're a superhero or pretend you're this character, diba? We all know what that feels like and how fun it was. So if you enjoy that feeling enough, I feel like you could be an actor, right? I mean, I feel like anyone could be. But yun nga, you have to love it eh.
Yep.
You have to love it to be able to last in the industry.
And parang it takes a level of, ano ba, hindi humility. It takes a level of
Self-awareness.
Self-awareness or
Yeah,
deprecation. Na
self-awareness.
parang we can really like look stupid in whatever way we want to. You really have to commit to it eh.
Yeah.
Parang close up ng ganyan, iiyak ka yung mukha mo, gano'n. Yung,
Yeah.
diba, if you're vain, if you really can't handle that
Umiiyak
type of
ba?
pressure. Ganda mo naman umiyak.
Hindi, sa question mo kanina, ang naisip ko, tama talaga, kailangan mong maging, alam mo yun, maging sensitive. And sa akin, siguro, kapag nag-play ako ng kontrabida role, first kontrabida role ko, Irene Chu, yung Can't Buy Me Love. Sabi ko, paano ko ba siya? Kasi hindi na minsan hindi na totoo yung mga beliefs niya. Hindi na tao, parang ganon.
Yeah.
Pero lagi kong iniisip na everybody thinks they're right.
Yeah,
Every
that's
one
true.
of us, we all think that we're all victims of this. You don't know that you're a bad person. You don't know na meron ka nang nasasaktan. Ang alam mo lang, nasasaktan ka. And you don't know you're inflicting pain sa ibang tao. Yun yung mindset kapag kontrabida ka. Parang kailangan mong, parang, di na totoo yung script, parang may tutulak ka sa building, parang ganun. Parang, So parang kailangan mong paniwalaan bakit niya kayang gawin yan.
Yeah.
Pag nanonood ka,
Yeah.
tapos hindi ka nagagalit sa bida, sa kontrabida, hindi ka naiinis sa kanya, kasi alam mo yung kailangan niya. Gusto niya ng justice from every pain na ginawa sa kanya.
Yeah.
Pero hindi niya alam na siya sa kanya nanggagalit.
Mm.
Parang in her head, she's always the victim. Ang alam mo, ikaw ang victim. You have that victim mindset. And
Yeah.
para din siyang totoong buhay. Lahat tayo, hindi tayo pare-para ng ugali. May mga nasasaktan tayong tao. Pero in your head, you're a victim. Yung parang, alam mo yung pinaka most parang wanted dito sa mundo. Hindi nila alam na masamang tao sila. They just think na sobrang sinaktan niyo ako. Ganon.
Tsaka every villain has an origin story.
Yeah,
Diba?
ano
I don't think diba? I don't think that that villains were born evil.
Yeah.
Mm.
Diba? So I feel like when you have that mindset going into a contributor role, understanding yung saan nanggaling, how did this person turn into
That.
what that person
Yeah.
became, mas ma-justify mo yung ginagawa nila eh, diba? Mas, it all makes sense to you eventually. Mas may paglalaban mo siya as a character. So empathy talaga.
Yeah.
I feel like it,
Feel
for
ko
me,
rin eh.
for me,
Yeah.
it boils down to empathy
Saan kayo
and
nag-enjoy?
understanding.
Sa bida or kontrabida?
Kontrabida.
Oh my God.
I love it.
I
I
love
love
kontrabida. Yeah, for sure.
kontrabida. Kasi nakakapaglaro ka eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Mga emosyon mo na hindi mo na gagawa in real life. Na-express in real life, nagagawa mo. Yung gano'n.
Lalo
Gusto
sa
mo
soap.
na lang magwala.
Lalo sa soap talaga.
Yung mga
Talaga.
gano'n.
Ikaw kasi yung nagde-drive ng eksena.
Yeah.
Ang goal mo kasi talaga ay galitin yung bida.
Mhm.
So parang kaya mong gawin talaga na parang hawakan ko yung ilong mo at wala kang magagawa. Yung sa utak mo, parang pagmamayari mo yung mundo. Kaya mong, pwede mong gawin lahat ng gusto mo at ikaw yung magdadala ng eksena. Kaya parang tumatakbo yung story kasi sobrang gago ng...
Powerful eh.
Sobrang
yung
powerful
feeling.
ng kontrabida. So parang, yun, masaya siya gawin.
Yeah.
Tsaka one thing about acting, na until now, I feel like I still get with every role. May natututunan ako about people, about humanity, about the world.
Sobrang totoo.
Lalo kapag mga characters na malayo sa akin, kung sino ako. And sa profession na to, mga professions na hindi talaga ako exposed. When I do those characters, it's like I come out of it a better person. May ganun siyang feeling, I swear.
Talaga.
May ganun din ba kayo?
Kaya pala sobrang bait mo na ngayon, talaga.
Gago to.
Totoo, parang it opens your mind up.
Right,
No?
right.
It opens your mind up. And
Sa'yo
then-
hindi? Hindi ka nag-agree.
Ha?
Hindi ka nag-agree.
Nag-agree. Ano ba sinabi mo?
Pero alam mo, na-realize ko lang, di ko alam if makaka-relate kayo dito ha. Sobrang nakakatawa to. But mahilig na ako mag-people watch ngayon.
Yeah.
Sometimes, because feeling ko parang, I mean, obviously, you're not only an actor when you're on set, right? Eventually, it spills over into your real life and then you just feel like, parang naalala ko, parang meron akong na-witness na couple na nakikipag-break sa...
Yeah, I love
Nasa
watching
labas,
those.
naghihintay ako ng sundo, naghihintay ako ng driver. And then, sa tabi ko, sa gilid sila, they were breaking up. I could not help myself but watch them. And that's so wrong.
Halata ka ba?
Ha? Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kasi alam mo yung parang pinapanood ko lang sila ng ganun.
Shit.
Parang ang
Mas
ganda
mamaya-
ano nito
ang
ha.
ganda.
Parang ang ganda gawing character study ni Sis. Parang, oh my God. Alam mo yung gano'n? Yung parang, oh my God, sobrang invasive nung ginawa mo. Bakit gano'n? Nagkakaroon ba kayo ng mga moments
Hindi,
na gano'n?
worse.
Sobrang
Ako yung
toxic
nai-
eh.
Shit, mag-ready tayo, worst na worst. Mag-ready tayo. Iba to eh. Worst na worst.
Parang pag kailangan mo tumawag ka sa oh, wala magre-record.
Guys, mag-ready tayo.
Hindi naman, pwede lang. Ano siya, parang tinatry ko na siyang itigil ngayon. Kasi parang hindi na ako present.
Okay.
Kasi, kunwari may kaaway, may ka-argue ako. Like, biggest argument ever, like, sa buhay ko siguro. Tapos parang, nag-zone out lang ako na parang, ganyan pala magalit. Okay, gagamitin ko to sa mga eksena ko.
May gano'n eh, may gano'n.
May tamang
so
ano
weird.
naman,
It's
Stella.
so weird.
Nag-aaway kayo, in-observe mo.
Eh, di parang,
Ang ganda, nuance.
Ganda nung
Magamit nga to.
Gagamitin.
sobra na talaga. As in, parang, tapos kunwari pag, oh my God, pangit talaga. Yung parang, tama na. Yung parang gusto mo na siya i-cut. So, parang hindi ko na siya ginagawa ngayon. Pero dati talaga, ang pangit.
Oo, tsaka feeling ko lahat tayo may ganun eh. Kasi like, for example, yung nanay ko, she's been doing this since she was 9 years old, you know. She lives and breathes acting talaga. This is all she really knows, right? So pag pinapagalitan niya kami, parang teleserye. So, alam mo yun, sabi ko, umabot na sa point na parang bababa siya ng hagdan. Hindi nyo alam! Ang hirap maging nanay! Feeling ko,
Ang ganda.
okay, parang gusto mong i-cut. Pero parang sige, wag na na. Mga to make to pa eh. May ganun talaga. And I feel like, feeling ko one day baka maging ganun din ako. Medyo fear ko yun actually. Na baka maging ganun din ako.
I've heard about stories yung mga nadadala nila yung character sa bahay nila. Nangyari na ba sa inyo yun?
Ako once lang.
Ba't kayo tatawa?
Ay, wala.
Okay.
Once lang, ikaw.
Always.
Hindi naman.
When?
Feeling ko yung Irene Chu.
Irene Chu.
Sobrang talaga.
Gets.
Ang sabi ng friend ko, si Noor,
Yeah.
paka-OA mo! Sabi niya talaga. Parang paka-arte mo, Maris. Tama na yan. Hindi ka na si Irene Chu. As in, lagi namin yung pinag-aawayan. Parang, okay, sorry.
Tama
Ano
na.
ba yung reaction? Yung parang may mga reaction ka na, what? As in, yung mga nadadalang, I cannot with you. Yung lagi ko, yan yung mga lines ko sa mga friends. Di ba kasi nadadala mo yung mga adlib mo sa
Yung mga mannerism.
yung parang grabe daw ako mang-irap nung panahon na yun. So parang, ganun mga ganyan. So parang, may mga lang, pero hindi naman yung OA talaga.
Ako masama eh. Kasi nung ginawa ko yung Keys to the Heart, nakaganyan yung hair ko. Ako nagugup. Yun yung nadadala ko sa bahay at sa labas. So parang maka-cancel talaga ako kapag yung mom yung basta hindi ko nagagawin. Basta may mga ginagawa ako, tapos parang titingin talaga yung family ko sana. Wag dito, like don't do that here.
Oh my God.
But other than that, wala naman ako nauwi. Yun lang
Naalala ko
talaga.
yung ira mo na yun.
Yung ira ko na.
May time talaga na, ay, wag na lang.
Wag na lang, makancel pa tayo.
As in, like, sabi ko, parang hindi ko naman kasi sobrang subtle lang naman.
So yung project niyo together, you were doing that with Suntok sa Buwan?
I just finished Suntok sa Buwan, tapos I went there.
Okay.
Yung ginupit ko na yung buhok ko.
Pero kasi I would assume that for that character, you would have to be in like a flow state, right?
Yeah, you have to be. Actually, hindi ako magme-method dapat for it talaga. Hindi ko alam. Then, nag-immerse kami, nag-research kami, ganyan-ganyan for a month. And then, nung look test na, nagpaalam ako, ginupit ko yung hair. Ay, hindi, first day na. Nung first day na, ginupit ko yung hair ko. Tapos, pagkapasok ko sa set, biglang yung AD was like, everybody say hi to JJ! Gumanon. Tapos parang ako, so nag-acting ako na si JJ.
Oh my
Like,
God!
hindi naman namin usapan na mag-method ako or what. Pero
Right.
biglang, I guess, mas gusto niya yung flow state nga.
Yeah, yung nandun ka na.
Hindi ako
When you
nag-break
arrive,
talaga.
right?
Yeah. So parang first couple of days it was like that. Then I had to talk to them na parang, you know, I don't need it. Na parang kaya ko
Yeah,
naman
you can
tumalon
live without.
naman and do that kasi naka-prepare naman siya. But for a while, like, hanggang ngayon, yung mga crew ng pelikula na yung JJ tawag sa akin.
JJ.
Talaga?
Yeah, JJ pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Hey! Open na ang Kamuning Film Club for February members. O diba, taas ng energy kasi ang dami naming pasabog for Feb.
At dahil mataas ito net, ibababa ko lang like Jacqueline Jose. Tama yun. Kung gaano nyo pinupuno ang mga puso namin ay siya ring pag-apaw ng mga ganap sa Kamuning Film Club. Taray, we have a poet right here, right now. Hirap i-sustain.
February 1 Sunday, turuan ng leksyon yan, Music for Film Workshop by one of our favorite collaborators, award-winning musical scorer, Len Calvo.
February 7, Saturday, exclusive to Kamuning Film Club members. Kanto Roundtable discussion featuring 3 generations of award-winning actresses, Barbie Fortesa, Cherry Pie Picache, and Judy Santa Maria. Ganun lang naman.
February 8, another Kanto Roundtable discussion with award-winning production designers. Exclusive to Kamuning Film Club members. Yes, kapag member ka lang pwedeng maka-join. Featuring Ero Francisco, Digo Ricio, and Ben Padero.
February 10, Tuesday, in cooperation with Film Development Council of the Philippines, Sinica Yurian presents Sentimental Value. May talkback ba ito with Cannes Best Actress Renate Reinsve? Di ko alam, di ko sasabihin. Pero, exclusive ito to Kamuning Film Club members.
February 24, Tuesday, another Sinica Yurian film screening. This time, Relax is Just Pag-ibig. Go nyo na to guys kasi hindi na mapapanood yung Relax is Just Pag-ibig sa any streaming platform. So this is also exclusive to Kamuning Film Club members.
At February 28, Saturday, tuturuan tayo ng leksyon on color grading ni Bianca Francisco. Siya lang naman ang nagkulay ng XX Lovers, Uninvited, Replacing Chef Chico at marami pang iba. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Sign up na! See you sa Basta Cafe!
Paano kayo umaalis sa isang eksena na sobrang dramatic? Di ba maraming artista na after umiyak, nahihirapan silang umalis?
Feeling ko, you have to learn how to decompress. Kasi if there's anything that they don't actually teach you, I don't know if they do now, but at least for me, walang nagturo sa akin how to really decompress and to kind of debrief yourself. Like,
How do you do it?
it sounds OA. Honestly, like, it sounds OA na parang kailangan debrief and everything. Parang, huh? Pero it's so true. It's so real. Kasi, you're going through several emotions in a day sometimes. And, yun nga, you're convincing your body and a part of your brain that this is real life and this is happening to you. So, it has a lingering effect. It does. Ako, I like to, for example, pag lock-in, di ba? You tape for 2 weeks at a time. And then may break ka na 1 week, ganyan. So I like to really do things the way I normally do them. Like, go back to my real life. Maybe not talk to co-workers for a bit. Just so,
isolate ka lang.
yeah, just so I can go back to myself, see my family, spend time with my friends outside of all of this. At least that's what works for me. Kasi it reminds me na, okay, si Kyla pa rin ako. At the end of the day, I'm still Kyla, I'm still myself. Parang it just brings me back to that point. And parang I'm able to center myself. Ganun lang. Simple lang din naman.
Ikaw?
Ako? How do I decompress? I don't know. I guess it's just like the space. Hindi
Yeah.
mas doon lang kasi ako nakakonect. When I act, I literally play around with the space. Parang co-actor ko rin yung environment, yung setting. So kapag nag-iba na ng space, kaya ko
Yeah.
na siyang kumawala. Siguro ganoon lang ako nasanay.
gets.
Parang when I'm home. Like kaya ko. Kaya nung when I was doing Game Boys back in the pandemic, yung bahay ko yun yung setting ng place. So it was so hard to like,
Bahay
yung
mo talaga?
mamatayan ako ng nanay, so iyak yung shoot, tas okay, bukas na ulit tayo, tapos na sa phone. So, bahay ko pa rin.
Yung set
Tapos hindi ka
mo.
makalabas.
Hindi ako makalabas.
Hirap.
Ang hirap ng ganun, so mas ganun ako lagi. Mas environment.
Environment, yeah. Ikaw?
Sanay
Hinga. Kailangan mo lang huminga.
Oo.
Parang-
Kailangan talaga.
Ganun, parang tubig ka lang, order ka lang sa Grab, parang pampahappy.
Yeah,
Parang
papasaya.
any small stupid thing that would
Yeah.
take you back to reality.
True. Very
Order ka
true.
lang. Sino yung artistang dream nyo maka-eksena? Like, hanggang ngayon pinagpe-pray. Pinagpe-pray talagang
Pinagpe-pray.
Lord Jesus Christ.
Kailangan local? Or talagang
Sige,
are we
alright.
dreaming big?
Yung mas possible naman.
Huwag naman masyadong nangarap ng...
Hindi, like yung nandito.
Sa reality lang tayo, guys.
Yeah.
So,
Ako back then, it was Eddie Garcia. But nakaseen ko siya. And it was
kamusta?
sobrang solid. Sobrang the best. Kasi you hear so many stories about him na kuwari ko 7 call time, 5:30 nandun na siya. So parang 7 call time na, like 6 nandun na ako. 5:30 nga nandun na siya. So parang hindi ko naunahan yung 90 years old na tao, di ba? Parang, pero he was so conversational.
Yeah.
Nag-improv pa. Ang sharp pa ng utak. Tapos yung improv niya yung, saan galing yun? Sorry, share ko lang. Meron isang scene sa Kalil, pumunta siya sa bahay, tapos wala akong sinasabi, at siya tanong niya, paano mo nakuha yan? Bading ka ba? Ganyan. Tapos biglang quiet, titigan lang kami. Tapos out of nowhere, sabi, nagpabira ka ba sa puwet? Gumano siya yung wala sa lines, hindi namin pag-usapan ng rehearsals. Parang ako, tapos naririnig ko tumatawa lahat dun sa likod. Tapos ako yung, anong gagawin ko? Tutuloy ko ba to? Tapos biglang after, okay ba yung sinabi ko? Ang gagawin ko sa'yo. What a guy. Tapos yun nga, may mga advice siya. But generally, it was better than what I hoped for when I worked with him.
Wow.
Sobrang solid niya.
Ikaw?
Ako, si Nadine. Kasi for me, sobrang natural niya umarte. Parang sarap siguro.
Oo.
Yeah.
Gusto ko siya maka-work.
Okay. You.
Sino ba? Ang dami eh. Ang dami kong...
Wait, naka-exam naman na ba, mom mo?
Hindi pa. Hindi ko kaya.
She's so nice!
Yeah,
Ang
super
sobrang
nice.
solid
Hindi
niya.
ko
Yung mom so
kaya.
solid, sana may experience mo.
Yeah, pero kasi...
Ay, nanay mo pala yun.
Iba kasi when it's your mom eh. Siyempre, pag nanay mo yun, parang the pressure is different and also memorize ko yung mga facial expressions niya. So if she's getting impatient dahil sa akin, malalaman ko agad kahit hindi niya sinasabi. Ano ba yung gano'n? Iba yung pressure eh, pag
pag-
magulang mo na yung kasama mo. I don't even know how they do it. Like, the ones that have worked with their parents already, hindi ko alam paano nila nagawa. Kasi ako personally, hindi ko siya ma-imagine. Hindi ko siya ma-imagine talaga. But one day, siguro when I gain more confidence in myself and what I'm doing, maybe then. But at the moment, ayoko muna. Parang, I think I'm gonna pass.
Who do you want to work with?
There's honestly so many. But top of mind, I really want to work with Jodie Santa Maria. I really want to work with her. Kasi, wow, bata pa lang ako pinapanood. Wow! Hindi, pero kasi isa siya sa mga favorites kong pinapanood. Lalo pag drama, confrontation. Yeah, so I feel like dream ko rin maka-work siya. Hopefully si Inay ulit to work with her again, si Miss Maricel Soriano. I wanna work with her again. Nung naka-work ko siya talagang ang dami kong natutunan. I feel like kasi yung Linlang was such a project that really forced me to grow. Sobrang grateful ako sa project na yun. Ang dami kong natutunan from everyone naman na naka-work ko doon. Pero si Inay kasi syempre si Maricel Soriano na yun eh. And our characters were so close. So ang dami naming eksena together. So every day, I was like, nanginginig ako every day kasi nga siya makakasama ko sa halos lahat ng mga eksena ko. So, ang dami ko natutunan sa kanila. Like, I remember meron kaming isang mabigat na confrontation scene na magagalit ako sa kanya. Since sisigawan ko siya talaga, nginig ako buong araw. As in, talagang hinihintay ko na yung eksena na yun. May feeling na gano'n, hindi ka mapakali. Parang, ito na ba? Itong sequence na ba yung kukunan? Hindi parang gumaganon ka na. Kasi parang hindi ko kayang magalit sa kanya. Hindi ko siya kayang sigawan, ganyan. Pero at that point, we already kind of created a relationship. So, medyo close na kami ni Inay nun. Sabi niya, anak, huwag ka mag-alala. Sabi niya, okay lang, sigawan mo ako. Okay lang, huwag ka matakot. Parang, kahit sabihin niya yun, parang hindi ko alam kung kaya ko. So, talagang nanginginig ako. The whole time, nanginginig ako. Tapos, si Direct FM yun. Talagang,
Classic.
and then dahil hindi for airing, we had the luxury to, do a few of the takes na over and over. Binusisi namin siya. Yes, binusisi. Okay.
Big word.
Tagalog. Yes. Na-call ko ang Tagalog ko today. Talagang naalala ko.
Yan pala yung version ng mga aircon na Tagalog. Criticism! Sa kanila pala, busisi. Okay, now I know.
Alam mo, sobrang, I was hoping na hindi mo mapipick up.
Tahimik lang yan,
In-expose ko
pero
rin
di-
yung sarili ko. Anyway, parang kinat ako ni Direct FM kasi syempre more pa, ganyan. And then medyo nahalata niyang kinakabahan ako. Magkaharap na kami, as in, nag-roll na kami, nag-take na kami. Kinat niya ako. Sabi, sige pa, ganyan, dagdag pa, ganyan, magalit ka. Kasi nararamdaman niya nag-hold back ako sa galit ko. Si Inay sabi niya talagang, magalit ka. Huwag mo papatuloyin yung luha mo. Ginaganon niya ako, as in right there.
Pinupush ka.
Tapos ginaganon niya yung diaphragm ko. Dito,
Like,
dito mo
pushing.
kunin, dito, ganyan. So parang, sobrang parang masterclass lang nung nangyari. Kahit yung eksena lang na yun in general. Parang ang dami ko na agad nakuhang, I guess yung pasahan ng energy kasi yung batuhan and those small, tiny, parang advices in the moment really changed my life. Talagang parang iba talaga yung growth ko nung project na yun dahil sa kanya din.
Sobrang beautiful ng mga exchange na ganyan between
Yeah,
co-actors
sobra.
na. Like, when the energy feels right, it just feels right.
Yeah.
Tapos nakaka-excite mag-next sequence, mag-next shot,
sobra.
and all that. So,
Yeah.
sinong pinaka-favorite yung co-actor na? Or like, yung mga nasa top of the list na enjoy katrabaho, yung madami kayo nakukuha. Not like lessons, but you just have fun doing scenes with them. Or di kaya may natutunan. Parang gano'n, yung kwento na gano'n. I think that was cool. Ako parang si Kuya Aga Mulak. Wala masyadong natutunan. Joke, hindi. Madami natutunan. Madami, but like it's the energy, you know? Like parang mukha siyang, he's really passionate about acting. Swear guys, like sobrang passionate niya umarte. He really cares about the craft, cares about the youth, and about the story. Sobrang story-driven niya. I think yung actors from that generation, ganun sila, no? Like, really story-based na character. Ay, ang tinitignan nila sa script, yung kwento, hindi lang yung character nila. Tapos mas doon sila naka-attach. So, medyo papakialaman talaga nila yung iba na, ito, baka mas maganda kung ganito,
That's
ganyan,
true.
ganyan.
Yeah.
I guess siguro kasi mas bata pa tayo. Ako, mas nandun ako sa character ko lang.
Yeah.
Hindi ko masyado pinapakialaman yung iba. Pero sila nandun na sila sa position na yun eh. To be like, change certain things.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Naalala ko yung moment natin with Kuya Aga. Yung,
Which one?
doon na naman, sobrang eventful talaga ng Sintok sa buwan go see. Ay,
Look test?
ng look test. Kasi, naalala ko talaga yung mukha natin. Kasi nakaganon tayo kay Kuya Aga. Kasi fangirl tayo. Sabi ni Kuya Aga, kayo palang makaka-work ko, ganyan. Kayong dalawa, mag-invest kayo sa yate.
Ay, oo! As we were like, huh?
Sabi ko
I
naman,
wish.
sabi ko talaga, umuo din ako kasi parang,
That's the dream.
oo nga.
Tama.
Sabi niya, mag-invest kayo sa yate kasi hindi niyo kailangan ng hotel. Sabi ko, oo nga.
Oo
Sabi ni
nga.
Elijah,
Parang ganun na dali.
di ba yung parang, wow, may babayaran pa ba akong kuryente bukas? Pero,
Yate agad.
Ikaw, sino yun sa'yo?
yung gusto,
Yung mga actor na notable, gano'n, for you. Working with them, yung mga kabatuhan, energy-wise.
energy-wise, Papa Ian. Yeah,
okay.
Ian Veneracion. Kasi ano siya, hindi naman sa mga eksena talaga. Yung life lessons, advice,
Yeah.
pieces of advice niya.
Words of wisdom.
Oo. Yung parang, yung iba kasi yung ano niya iba yung advice niya. Hindi siya fatherly, but like, ano siya, very spiritual siyang tao. Puro energy. Tapos parang kunwari may project na, okay ba to? Sabi niya sa'yo, yung advice niya talaga sobrang iba. Yung sobrang, hindi to yung advice ng iba. Kunwari, sabi niya, huwag ka talagang umuo sa project na alam mong hindi ka magiging masaya, not even for, parang, even it's just a minute or two. Parang always say yes to projects, hindi lang sa story, but sa energy ng mga ka-work mo. And then, yun yung key para maging masaya yung life. Hindi siya about career, hindi siya about parang, paano sumikat, ganyan.
Yeah,
Sa kanya, paano maging masaya at content. Yun.
Paano ba? That's what
Oh my God,
I
ang
wanna
lalim
know.
na naman.
Ang lalim na nun, ah.
Ayun, nagpapalipad siya ng
Ay,
aeroplano.
direct ikat mo na.
Hindi, magyate. Yun yung ano
Magyate.
dapat. Magyate ka dapat. But it's really the older actors, no? Kasi siguro sa mga generation natin. Meron naman. I mean, it's you. Madami, sobrang dami. But also madami din yung mga, I call them, shit, baka makancel ako. I call them jokers. Sorry. I call them jokers kasi favorite performance nila ever si Heath Ledger ng Joker. Tapos, parang they're also like passionate, which I love, right? Like parang passionate about acting. I want to learn about this, I want to learn about that. And then, it's all technique.
Right.
When you go there, you do scenes with them, it's like, it's all technique. There's really no room for truth. There's really no room for presence. Yun yung basehan nila.
Yeah.
With like good acting, it's really like to perform.
Technical.
But it's not really about performing. It's about, being, about getting that sense of truth.
Yeah.
And justifying kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan nung sa story or sa character mo. It's not really about the performance aspect. Yun yung I think na a lot of people in our generation get it wrong na. It's not really about the special na, okay, I'm talking like this, I'm moving like this, I look like this. It's not really about the look, It's about the sense of truth and trying to get that feeling, that message across to the audience. Kasi kapag it's all about you, edi parang nag-ano ka lang, di ba?
Magpa-perform.
Yeah, puro sobrang self-indulgent eh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I get it.
Diba?
Yeah.
Sorry sa mga joker dyan. Wala akong ano. I mean, I love Heath Ledger sa The Dark Knight. Sobra. I mean, one of the best ever talaga. Pero like, I feel like there are a lot more great performances to like dive into, not just in Hollywood, but even like, you go sa Asia, Tony Leung, Sandra Hüller, all those people, like, we should expose ourselves to more projects. Parang meron nga ganito si Leo DiCaprio always preaches na parang actors should watch more movies.
Yeah.
And then people like Christian Bale would be like, you don't have to watch anything. Kasi bakit ka manonood? You have to be the character. Ganun. Ako personally, mas nandun ako sa, you have to
should
watch
watch,
movies.
yeah.
Kasi that's the craft. It's not really about just being the character. It's about how you relate to the lens, to the camera, to the story, and to the
Yeah.
other actors, the space. Madaming bagay eh. Hindi lang siya basta sa sarili with acting. It's more a collaboration talaga at the end of the day.
Okay, so last question na to, kasi I feel like masyadong napapasarap yung kwentuhan natin
Yep,
dito.
yep.
What is your hope for the industry? It could be anything naman. It could be anything.
May mga realizations ako ngayon na parang lahat sobrang based na sa algorithm. Sana hindi pa rin ganun. Sana
Yeah.
hindi ganun. Sana meron pa rin mga creatives or production houses mag-hire or mag-cast ng mga artista kahit wala sila sa algorithm. Kahit wala sila sa radar. Kahit di sila relevant. Pero gets ko rin eh, kasi kailangan kumita yung pelikula.
Yep,
Sa
yep,
business pa rin siya eh. Pero sana may ganun. At meron naman. Meron talaga nag-ano. Pero ngayon, in reality, sa pinakalalim-lalim na reality, about na siya sa sinong sure, parang business model na to, sure nakikita to. Ikakas natin to kasi viral siya ngayon. Malungkot siya na practice kasi lahat magpo-perform na just for the sake of the algorithm. And it's so sad
Right.
na i-stock mo yung buhay mo or kailangan mong mag-ano ng cellphone, like, guys, perceive me, parang gano'n, para lang nasa algorithm ka. Parang sarap na walang social media. Alam mo yun?
Beautiful.
Gusto mo nang maging mysterious. Pero yun sana yung practice na hindi natin masyadong dun yung focus. Parang nandun sana, buhay pa rin sana yung auditions, buhay pa rin sana yung mag-bank sa mga faces na hindi pa kilala.
Right.
Tapos, though meron talagang mga directors na gusto nila, prefer nila na hindi kilala yung artist. Kasi para mabigyan ng chance yung mga rising stars. Hindi dahil meron siyang 5 million followers sa TikTok, gano'n.
Right.
So parang dahil sa talent. Para matuto yung kids, yung next generation. Kasi pangat siya na practice. Kasi kung nasimulan natin yan, imagine mo yung generation 20 years, 30 years from now.
Right.
Ano nang ginagawa ng mga bata? Nagpapasikat para, di ba, hindi na authentic yung talent.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n.
Beautiful.
Yun lang. Yun lang
Ganda.
na-realize ko lately.
Ganda nun. Sobrang prevalent yan sa times ngayon. No?
Yeah,
Yan
exactly.
talaga
The
how it
digital
works.
age.
Yeah. I mean, I read something like Ethan Hawke said something about yung when people cast, they look at the followers.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's
I think I
wild.
saw that.
That's wild to me. Kasi ako like, recently lang din ako nagka-following, like pre-pandemic, naka-private talaga ako everywhere. Tapos I don't even post on social media, so I feel like, am I in trouble? Like, is my job in trouble? Kasi I don't have much followers.
Tapos parang,
Yung mga ganun na.
diba? Tapos parang tahimik ka lang sa bahay.
Oo.
Parang, shucks, kailangan ba
Mag-TikTok ako.
mag-TikTok ako?
Diba?
Yung parang,
Ganito.
Lord, yung parang ganun. Parang nakakaano siya ng mentality ng, hindi lang sa amin, like sa lahat ng tao. Kahit ano pa man yan. So, kawawa yung mga bata, diba? Yung parang feeling nila yung buong mundo, social media na. So,
Right.
hindi
Preach.
siya magandang, hindi siya magandang practice. Tapos pag nasira ka, parang feeling mo, katapusan mo na. So parang kailangan natin i-practice na merong reality outside social media. Sana dun din mabubuhay yung art.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Paano? Pero ang ganda. I mean, that's a dream. Bumalik sa ganun, kung if it ever was like that. I guess I'll go first para last ka na. I mean, I'll preach yung sinasabi ni sinasabi ni Maurice. I mean, ngayon ko lang din narinig yun. And that's something na hindi ko din ma-articulate sa isip ko whenever I think about it. Kasi, you know, parang I'm a guy who just does the job, really.
Yeah.
I portray characters. I don't really do anything extra often, di ba? Parang depende kapag kailangan mag-promo. But I guess something na hope for the generation. With audiences, I hope bumalik yung craving para dun sa experience ng cinema.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Diba? Yung
yeah.
bumalik yung mag-invite tayo ng friends, ng family natin to watch certain movies.
Sana di kayo magsawa pumunta sa sinehan para panoorin
Yeah.
yung mga pelikula.
And I think to counter that, baka we need to show, you know, new stories.
Yeah.
Pero also, madami namang new stories out there. Madaming mga filmmakers na matapang pa rin, gumagawa pa rin, taking risks. And telling the stories that they want to tell. It's just a matter of, you know, finding the right market, finding the right audience for them to watch it. So yun yung hope ko, ma-expose ang Pilipinas sa mas maraming kinds of stories, mas maraming ways of storytelling, and
Yeah.
bumalik yung cravings ng audience for that cinematic experience para may trabaho pa rin kami lahat, guys. Kasi, I mean, in all seriousness, parang this is something. Art really shapes history in this country. Art shapes the public consciousness, you know, what we think of, yung kultura natin and all that. So parang kapag tinanggal natin to, and then we stick to all those brain rot things, diba? Parang paano tayo uunlad bilang society. But wala din namang pressure sa mga bagay na yan kasi lahat yan may ambag sa kultura natin. But at the same time, this is an art form that's lived for over 100 years na. Sa Pilipinas lang, over 100 years na. Paano pa sa ibang bansa, right? So, I know that all of us na-shape ng mga pelikula one way or another growing up. And sana suportahan natin ng mga filmmakers ng Pilipinas. Kasi malakas ang industriya ng filmmakers ng cinema dito sa Pilipinas. It's just I feel like not a lot of people are exposed to it. Pero napakadaming pelikula ang Pilipino na magaganda na hindi lang napapanood ng mga tao. So I hope let's spread the word. Wow, anong pinopromo ko? Wala akong pinopromo eh. Spread the word about stories and the cinematic experience. Invite friends, you know, go to ano. And also, I guess sabay tayong mag-demand ng lower ticket prices, right?
Yeah.
Para mas maraming makapanood pa ng sine. Kasi sayang yung mga kwentong kinukwento ngayon kung hindi lang din siya mapapanood ng maraming tao.
Yeah. Ako, that was what I was going to say also. Sana hindi magsawa yung mga tao pumunta sa mga sinehan and to support, especially our local films, diba? Kaya nakakatuwa lagi pag MMFF na nakikita mo ang daming pumupunta sa
Yeah.
sinehan, laging puno, laging sold out yung cinemas and stuff like that. But, you know, hindi lang naman tayo sa MMFF nagpapakita ng pelikula, diba? It's all year round. So I hope we still value that kind of experience. Kasi ngayon sa streaming,
Okay naman.
it's hard eh. It's hard to,
Pero
parang hihintayin mo na lang sa streaming and stuff like that. Pero para buhayan natin, di ba, the world of cinema, and especially dito sa Pilipinas. And ako, I guess yung hope ko is, this is gonna sound far from the topic, pero ang hope ko is good governance. Because I feel like it all boils down to
It's not far. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
but it
so
all
connected.
boils
Yeah.
down to the situation of our country. even entertainment. I mean, if we had the government's support, imagine what we could attain in the industry, diba? I feel like skills, talent, intellect,
Sipag.
it's here, yung sipag. Kaya natin eh. We can. We can do all of that. Talent, diba? Lahat yan nandito eh. We have it. We have it. Hindi lang tayo nakakalabas. And I feel like it's because of many factors. Budget, you know, napipilay tayo ng budget constraints and everything. So I feel like it boils down to good governance. So ang hope ko for the generation of the entertainment industry, just future generations in general, is good governance.
Ganda. Beautiful. No? That's so beautiful.
Yun ang pinakapunot dulo.
Dito nag-last ko na.
Yeah.
Maganda nga yun. Maganda yun.
And with that,
And with that,
With that,
The 2026. Dahil ano na po na.
nakasimula ko na.
Isang taon.
eh, Marie, hindi kasi mag-invite sa amin for coffee.
Sabi ko
Buti naman may oras ka sa...
Yun nga eh, medyo nag-ano nga yung CR eh. So, yun.
thank you guys! Siguro to end, kasi last question. What is your, as an actor, what is your hope for the industry? For film workers or film audience?
Honestly, for me,
Or pwede bang pa-prompt nila? Kunyari,
Okay.
ganito yung question. Kunyari, galing sa'yo, Marie.
Go, Marie.
Tingin mo?
go Marie.
So, we to end the conversation kasi anong oras na eh. Kaya...
Pero dapat kayo ganun muna. So guys, dapat kayo ganun.
So, ano yung continuity namin ng direct? Nakaganon ako. Last question, guys.
Oh my God, nakakatamad.
Hindi. Ano yung question? Elijah, para ikaw na, as a wise speak host.
Oo nga, so wise me.
Ano?
Ikaw na mag-prompt. Kunyari, parang hindi
What
galing
is
sa
our
akin.
hope for the
What is the hope?
Si Indie Prince.
Guys, last question. Kaya na ikaw na. Kaya mo na yan. Kaya mo na yan.
Oh, sige.
Okay, let's go.